If you bought your car recently and it's sort of new-ish in the last couple of years, odds are pretty good that it's got a reverse parking sensor. You know, the little thing that beeps every time your car gets closer and closer to an object? Well, my car doesn't have that, and many of the older cars don't either. What can you do? Today on Tech Tip Tuesday, I'm going to show you a gadget that will solve that problem. Hey, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. My name is Leron Segev, where every Tuesday I share with you tips and tricks, making you more efficient and more productive, getting more out of your gadgets. If this sounds cool to you, smash that subscribe button and let's get on to today's show. So reverse parking systems aren't new. They've been around for quite a while. You can either get them with your car, you can do them as an aftermarket component. The problem that I've always had with these is that it's always been wired system. So that's why today's product is quite exciting. It was sent to me from Fensens, and it is a wireless reverse parking sensor. You know, instead of talking about it, let me show you exactly what the product is. Right, place the batteries with a smart parking sensor device, then seal it, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so now, before we install it, let's set up the app. There's the app. Let's bring you closer. Front to the back. Next. Okay, what that means, the distance between here and here. Okay, now that the app is installed, let's actually mount this thing. So, take this. Now, in the box, you do get a whole bunch of different screws with different sizes and different mountings. If you do have to drill some more holes, you can use these plastic bits. Thankfully, we don't have to do that. Each screw comes with its own anti-theft kind of thread, and only this tool can basically screw it or unscrew it. So therefore, you know nobody's going to steal it. Okay, and technically, that's it. Let's test it. Okay, so I've got the screws in. Now, the system also comes with this button, and it actually, as you can see, it gets mounted on the steering wheel, and then when you push the button, it essentially launches the app. It really actually makes a big difference, especially if you've got a big vehicle and you can't see behind you. It really helps. It is wireless. It does last quite a while. Apparently, the batteries will last up to 5 months of usage, which is going to be pretty cool to test out. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Really helps the channel a lot, and don't forget to subscribe. That's actually quite important as well. Hit that notification. I'll see you guys next week on another episode of Tech Tip Tuesday. Cheers for now.